Hi, in this video we're going to create some bass sounds using the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. These techniques should also work on any similar type of synth. To begin, we'll start from a default setting where we set the controls of the LFO, the VCO and the delay all the way to the left. With the VCF, we'll take the resonance to the left, cut off 12 o'clock, envelope mod 12 o'clock. Envelope, we're going to take the attack all the way left, decay release 12 o'clock, sustain all the way to the right. So, that gives us a nice square type bass. Now to make that a little bit more subby, we'll bring the cut off down, taking away some of those upper harmonics. We'll bring the resonance up, say to about 3 o'clock. And we'll bring the envelope mod, say to about 9 o'clock. Now then we're going to use the VCF mod to add a little bit of movement. And we have a nice round full bass. Now let's make it a long bass, so we take the decay and the release all the way to the right. Let's go for a short plucky bass. So sustain 10 o'clock, decay release about 10 o'clock to start. Let's give it a little bit more cutoff so we can hear some more of the upper harmonics. And a little bit more resonance. Let's make it so we get a bit more of a 303 type sound, so we're going to take the envelope mod over to about 2 o'clock. We're going to bring a little bit more of the VCF mod from the LFO up. Shorten it. A little bit more sustain. And let's take the envelope mod a little bit more extreme. And then we'll bring the resonance up. And when we get to the extreme point, it'll whistle. So let's get a little less whistle. There we have it. So let's reset back to our default. We'll turn this to the left. That's all off. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. 0 resonance. Back to our default. Now we can add some detune to this. Now when we add in a little bit of cutoff and a little bit of the envelope mod with the VCF mod. Let's make it super long. Let's give it a fade in. And let's give it a pulse. So we're going to use the rate of the LFO. Let's add some delay. Give it loads of feedback. Find a spot that sounds nice. Yeah. Now if we wanted to make it a little bit more in your face, take the envelope mod over to the right side. And then if we add some resonance. Now if we shorten this a little bit. Beautiful. So, back to a fast attack. Short. We'll take that delay off. So there you have it. Some bass sounds on the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. Thanks for watching.